Making money online in 2026 is easier than ever before. But here's the problem. Most people waste months jumping from one shiny opportunity to another without ever making a single dollar. Today, I'm cutting through the noise and showing you 5 legitimate ways to start earning online this week, even if you have zero experience. No get-rich-quick schemes, no pyramid schemes, just real opportunities that real people are using right now. Let's dive in. Before we start, here's what makes these 5 methods perfect for beginners. They require little to no upfront investment. You can start today with just a laptop and internet connection, and most importantly, they're scalable. Start small, learn the ropes, then grow your income over time. Let's jump into number 5. Number 5 is user testing. Companies pay real people to test their websites and apps. They want to know if their design is confusing, if buttons work properly, and if the user experience makes sense. This is where you come in. Platforms like User Testing, Try My UI, and Userlytics will pay you $10 to $60 per test. Each test takes about 10 to 20 minutes. You simply navigate a website or app, share your screen, and speak your thoughts out loud as you go. Here's why this is perfect for beginners. You don't need any special skills. If you can browse the internet and talk about what you see, you're qualified. The pay is immediate. Most platforms pay within a week via PayPal, and there's zero risk. You're not selling anything or building anything. You're just giving feedback. The downside is that tests aren't always available. You might do 3 tests one week and 0 the next. But if you sign up for multiple platforms, you can stay busy. This is genuinely one of the easiest ways to make your first $50 to $200 online. Number 4 is selling digital products on Etsy. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't have to be an artist or designer to sell on Etsy. You can sell templates, planners, checklists, budget spreadsheets, wedding invitations, resume templates, social media templates, and more. Create it once using free tools like Canva, then sell it unlimited times. There's no inventory, no shipping, and no customer service headaches. When someone buys your product, Etsy delivers it automatically. People are making $500 to $5,000 per month selling simple digital downloads. The key is solving a specific problem for a specific audience. Don't create a generic planner. Create a meal prep planner for busy moms. Don't make a random checklist. Make a moving checklist for first-time renters. The more specific, the better. Start by researching what's already selling on Etsy. Look at bestsellers in the digital download category. Then create your own version with your unique style. Price your products between $3 and $15 to start. As you get reviews and sales, you can increase prices. This is truly passive income once it's set up. Number 3 is becoming a transcriptionist. Transcription is simply listening to audio or video files and typing out what you hear. Companies, podcasters, YouTubers, lawyers, and medical professionals all need transcriptionists. Platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, and GoTranscript hire beginners with no experience. You'll start at around $15 to $25 per audio hour. As you get faster and more accurate, experienced transcriptionists make $30 to $60 per audio hour or more. Here's the reality. Transcription isn't glamorous, but it's reliable. There's always demand. You can work whenever you want. Early morning, late night, weekends, it doesn't matter. And it's flexible. Work 2 hours a week or 20, it's completely up to you. To get started, you'll need decent typing speed. If you can type 60 words per minute or more, you're in good shape. Free typing test websites can help you practice. You'll also need good headphones and a quiet space. Most platforms require a short test to qualify. Study transcription guidelines, practice with free audio samples online, and you'll pass easily. The earning potential grows over time. Once you build speed and accuracy, you can take on specialized transcription like legal or medical, which pays significantly more. Some transcriptionists make $3,000 to $5,000 per month, working full-time from home. Even part-time, this is a solid $500 to $1,000 monthly income stream. Number 2 is flipping items online. This is buying low and selling high, and you can start with as little as $20 to $50. Here's how it works. You find underpriced items at thrift stores, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. Then you resell them for profit on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, or Facebook Marketplace. People are doing this full-time and making $2,000 to $10,000 per month. And you don't need to be an expert. You just need to learn what sells. The best items to flip are things with strong resale value. Vintage clothing, brand name shoes, electronics, collectibles, video games, books, home decor, and tools. Start by flipping things you already know. If you're into sneakers, flip sneakers. If you know electronics, flip phones or gaming consoles. Research sold listings on eBay to see what items actually sell for. This tells you what's profitable. For example, you might find a pair of Nike shoes at Goodwill for $10. Check eBay sold listings and see they're selling for $60. Buy them, clean them up, take good photos, and list them. You just made $40 profit after fees. The beautiful thing about flipping is it's fast cash. You can make money within days, not weeks or months. And it teaches you real business skills like negotiation, marketing, pricing, and customer service. As you reinvest your profits, your inventory and income grow. Many flippers start part-time and eventually quit their jobs. This is one of the most proven ways to make money online and offline. Number 1, the fastest and most accessible way to make money online in 2026 is taking online surveys and completing microtasks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Surveys don't pay much. And you're right, but hear me out. If you're starting from zero and need to make your first $50 to $200 quickly, this is the move. Platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, and Amazon MTurk pay you for surveys, watching videos, playing games, and completing small tasks. You won't get rich doing this. Let's be clear, but you can realistically make $400 to $900 per month if you're consistent. The key is signing up for multiple platforms and mixing surveys with higher-paying tasks. For example, Swagbucks pays you to shop online and earn cash back. Inbox Dollars pays you to read emails and watch videos. Amazon MTurk has data entry and categorization tasks that pay better than surveys. Sign up for 5 to 7 platforms and cycle through them daily. Spend 1 to 2 hours per day, and you'll hit $400 to $900 monthly. Here's the strategy. Use survey income as your starting capital. Once you've made $100 to $200, reinvest it into flipping items or creating digital products. This way, surveys become your launchpad, not your endgame. Treat this as a stepping stone. It's not a career, but it's a great way to prove to yourself that making money online is real and possible. So, there you have it. 5 realistic ways to start making money online in 2025, even with zero experience. User testing for quick and easy cash. Selling digital products on Etsy for passive income. Transcription for steady, reliable work. Flipping items for fast profits and real business skills. And surveys or microtasks to get started immediately. Pick one. Commit to it for 30 days. Take action today, not tomorrow. Most people will watch this video, nod along, and do nothing. Don't be most people. If you found this helpful, drop a comment and let me know which method you're going to try first. And if you want more strategies to build wealth and financial freedom, hit that subscribe button. New videos every week on Wealth Spray. I'll see you in the next one.